No, it is inevitable for the speaker because he has to protect the dignity, decorum of the chair. He personally has not taken a decision. It is inevitable. I think respectable members of the assembly should have, we including me, we have to know the limitation and we have to respect this chair and also the constitution and the rules and procedure of the assembly. But unfortunately, it is beyond the limit. That's why it is inevitable that the chairman has taken such a decision. It is not, we are not happy with this one. The way the BJP MLS has argued in the assembly, it is not fair. They have got liberty to speak anything within the limitation of the place where they have to stand. It should not go above the chair. That is the problem. I think it is inevitable. We have taken a decision.